Now it's hard to miss the abundance of those tiny white and pink blossoms on some of our trees this year. I could stare at them forever. They were just so beautiful around the Capitol, the detail, the intricate detail. Now we found one way that you can mimic Mother Nature's blooming branches at your own kitchen table. We'll show you how in the Studio 5 Project Corner.
Hi Studio 5, it's Tammy from our Burlap Bungalow, and I am literally at my kitchen table and I am crafting today, and I wanted to show you what I'm making. What I have here are some faux apricot blossoms that I have made myself. What I love about these in particular are these blossoms that are literally made from tissue paper. And can you see on here how there's different variations of colors, just like in nature? And not only that, but I've made these little stamens inside with wire and paint, and that really brings out a cute detail in these blossoms. I've just been outside and I spray painted this tissue paper. I had white tissue paper and I spray painted it with glossy Mambo pink. And then once I let it dry, I rolled it up just like this, and I cut a bunch of these. This is the fun part. You grab two of your squares, you fold it in half. So over here, I just dip it down. So I've got my little bundle of stamens that I made. And the next step is to put a little dab of glue in the center of the flower. And then it's just time to tuck it together like that. And pull it out and push it in, and on it goes. Look at that. I could really fill up these branches. I'm happy with how they are right now, but the more blossoms I put on, the happier I am with it. I think it's a perfect way to celebrate spring, and you don't have to worry about them dying. They'll last forever.
Now Tammy says she used real apricot branches as her base. Now she clipped them before the blossoms actually burst on the outdoor trees. This is just one more detail that makes them pop. Absolutely adorable.